the heart of the countryside. In the small village of Willowbrook, nestled between rolling hills and vast fields, life moved at a different pace. The sun rose early, casting golden rays on the dewy grass, while the sound of chirping birds filled the air. For the villagers, this was home, a place where everyone knew each other's names and every face smiled with familiarity. Emma, a young artist, had recently moved to Willowbrook from the bustling city. At first, she felt out of place, overwhelmed by the silence and the slow rhythm of rural life. However, as days turned into weeks, she found beauty in the simplicity around her. The vibrant colors of wildflowers, the gentle sway of wheat in the breeze, and the laughter of children playing by the river began to inspire her artwork. One sunny afternoon, Emma decided to host an art exhibition in the village square. She invited everyone, hoping to share her vision of the countryside. On the day of the exhibition, the square was filled with villagers, their faces lighting up as they admired her paintings. They saw their lives reflected in her work, their homes, their fields, and their joys. As Emma watched the villagers connect with her art, she realized that she had found her place in Willowbrook. The countryside was not just a backdrop. It was alive with stories and emotions. In that moment, she understood that home was not merely a location but a feeling she had finally embraced. Emma smiled, knowing she was now part of the heart of the countryside.